And tonight, Baltimore City is preventing the spread one water sample at a time.
For months now, the city has been using an early warning system designed to detect COVID-19 in wastewater, and now it appears to be paying off.
WJZ is live at 11 o'clock. Amy Kawada explained how this is helping people who live at Latrobe homes in East Baltimore. Amy.
Rick, Vic, officials say this is all a preventative measure, and the Baltimore City Health Department is now recommending everyone who lives at Latrobe homes to get tested. And the hope is to test up to 1,000 people by this Thursday.
Well, today I got a COVID test done.
An effort to curb a potential COVID-19 outbreak in an East Baltimore public housing community.
Very concerned.
Elevated COVID-19 levels detected in wastewater at Latrobe homes, prompting a quick response from the health department to test as many residents as possible.
This is a preventative measure.
Officials say the findings from the testing program mean one or more residents or visitors who recently used restrooms at this property may have the virus.
Because it's serious. It's not a game.
Officials say testing water for COVID-19 is another key tool to prevent the spread of the virus. And with the community more vulnerable to an outbreak, using these samples may be more important than ever.
Communities such as ours have been negatively impacted, greatly impacted by this. The resources of the folks that live in our communities are not as great as others.
That's why the city is bringing resources right to the community.
This is the preventative measure that we're helping them take to stay safe until we can pull up a van and vaccinate the entire community.
The wastewater testing initiative started in late November, and ever since, inspectors have been testing for COVID-19 at several communities. Officials say this reading at Latrobe homes is the first time an elevated COVID level has been detected in the wastewater at a site.
Anytime you have a concentration of people and a condensed space, then there is more of a likelihood of spread.
And free testing will continue at the daycare center at Latrobe homes tomorrow and Thursday afternoon from noon until 3. In the meantime, residents are encouraged and urged to continue practicing those preventative measures such as mask wearing, social distancing, and avoiding large gatherings. Live in Baltimore City tonight, I'm Amy Kawada for WJZ.